Hey Babishas! So you have made it through the entire beginner series. So we're learning eyeliner today. First things first, we're going to be using the Benefit Roller Liner and the Perversion Mascara. So number one, we need to figure out what our eye shape is. I have a almond eye, so what I like to do is make my line towards the inner corner very thin and then my wing very thick. The best advice I can give you when making your wing is to curve the line out a little bit. So if you notice that line is not completely straight, curve it out and loosen up your pressure as you get to the tip of the wing so that it can kind of be skinnier than the rest of it. Then you're going to want to attach the middle of your wing to like your eyelid, I guess. Like just watch the video and you'll see like I'll draw a line from the middle of the wing out to the middle of my eyelid, and then I'll just fill it in from there. This next step all depends on the shape of your eye, but like I said, I have an almond shaped eye, so I'm going to continue a little bit of that thickness as I get towards the inner corner, but by the time I'm in the inner corner, I'm using a very, very thin line to line that part. And honestly, that's it for the liner. Now I'm just going to take this e.l.f. eyelash primer and then use my Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. Okay, Babs, this is the end of the tutorial, which brings us to the end of the beginner series playlist. But if you guys want me to add more look breakdowns to the playlist, don't forget to let me know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.